In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Facebook to your Instagram account. And I'm going to show you how to do this using a mobile device. But if you'd rather not use your phone and you want to use your computer to link your accounts, then I recommend that you link your Instagram account to your Facebook account instead. And I have a whole nother video showing you how to do this. So simply go to that video where I show you how to use your desktop computer to link your Instagram account to your Facebook account. But if you'd rather use your mobile device, then this is the video for you. So the first thing you want to do is on your mobile device, go to Instagram and make sure you're logged into your Instagram account. And you'll see your home feed, which looks something like this. From there, in the lower right-hand corner, select your profile. That will take you to your profile page. And as long as you have a professional account, it will look like this. Now, to link your Facebook account to your Instagram account, you will need a professional account or a creator account or business account. So if your account is a personal account, this will not work for you. If you need to change your account from a personal account into a business account, make sure you check out my video where I cover exactly how to do that. So as long as you have a professional account, which is a business account or a creator account, your page should look similar to this, and you will see a button that says Edit Profile. Simply select on the option that says Edit Profile. And from there, you will see a page where you can update all of your names, your usernames, website information, important information. Then you will see your public business information, and you will see an option that says Page. That's where you want to select. And once you select on that, it will give you the option to add a page. Now, mine's is already added, so it shows something that's already filled in there. If you do not have a page there, you will see a slightly different option that will allow you to create or connect the page. So if you want to connect a new page, you can press Disconnect Page. Or if you want to change the page or create a new page, you can select that option as well, and it will ask you to log into Facebook. So an important note here is you can only connect one page at a time. You cannot connect more than one page at a time. But it's very simple to do. Just follow these steps on your Instagram account and you're all done.